Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to private your following list on TikTok. Before moving on with tutorial, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss all the videos. When you private following on TikTok, others won't be able to view your following list, they can only see your mutual friends. So first, tap on TikTok app. You will be taken to For You page. Then tap on profile icon at bottom right section. Now tap on three lines at top right section. Now choose settings and privacy. You can see privacy option at second. Tap on it. When you scroll down, you can see following list. Tap on following list. Now tap on only me so that you can private following on TikTok. This will enable others to view your following list. With this, you'll be able to keep your following list to yourself. Other people won't be able to access your following. This is it for the video guys. Hope this video was helpful. For more tutorials, like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.